Welcome back to the Bialex 7 channel. This time, we will discuss a residence that dares to combine rural tradition with modern minimalist style in the middle of the silence of the Swiss forest. Refuge Lieptgas stands in place of an old wooden cabin that was once used by local farmers. However, the architects did not forget the traces of history. They used wood from the old cabin as a concrete mold, leaving a natural texture that blends perfectly with the surrounding environment. An approach that not only presents beauty, but also connects the past with the present. Entering the interior, simplicity is its main strength. The dining room overlooks the open forest, creating perfect harmony between the inside and outside. The compact kitchen and the fireplace that blends into the back wall bring warmth in a minimalist wrap. A circular staircase takes us to the lower floor, where nature really becomes part of the design. A large stone becomes the center of attention in the sleeping area, with a gap separating it from the concrete wall, allowing soft light to enter and creating a calm and magical atmosphere. By combining traditional forms with modern materials, Refuge Lieptgas teaches us the importance of respecting history while remaining relevant in contemporary life. This building reminds us that in simplicity, there is profound beauty. Thank you for watching this episode. See you in the next video.